To replace one of those pull chain and you don't know how to, so here I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. As you can see, we have this, the pull chain is broken, so we are going to replace the whole thing. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. Make sure that you have no power. All right, as you can see, we have the electric panel, so we can turn off all the 15 amps and 20 amps, we should be good. Otherwise, you can turn this off if you are concerned about getting electrocuted. If you want to be 100% for sure that you're not going to have power anywhere, just turn this off, the main one. If you see here, you're going to see two types of breakers. You have the double pole, this is for 220, and you have the single pole that is 110. So in this case, because we are going to replace a light fixture, the light fixture, it uses 110, so that is why I turn off all of them, all the one single pole. Otherwise, like I said, if you are replacing maybe a stove or something that uses 220, you just turn off every 220, the double pole, so that way you know that everything that runs on 220 or 240 is going to be off. In this case, because I didn't know which one it was which, I turn off every single pole. So now we turn off all the power, so we're going to remove that. We're going to need the flat screwdriver to replace this. Put this here. Be careful that the screws are not going to fall. Let's see what we have here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to remove this so we can just cut it up here, as you can see. When you're going to buy the light fixture, it comes with an electric outlet and the switch, so this is why it's called pull chain. Or you have the other option that is the same thing but without the electric outlet. I recommend always to have an electric outlet just in case. Usually in the basement you don't have many options. So here is the regular one, like I told you before, same thing but without the electric outlet. So as you can see here, you have the two holes. You have four usually, and this is all covered, so it depends of the type of light box, that the electric box that you have in the other side. You're going to use the one in the middle or the one in the other side. So as you can see, I'm going to show you a few pictures here. So here you have the holes that I was talking about. So this is the other end. So as you can see here you have the gold screw is for the hot, and you have the silver one that is for the neutral. So that is very easy. I'm going to show you maybe a few other pictures so that way you can see. Here it comes with the string, and the other one is kind of the same. So I'm going to go back here. We have a few pictures here. So in this case, you have the wires, the white and the black. So it's easy, black with black and white with white. And here, as you can see, here you have the ground. So the ground is because you have the electric outlet here in this case. But usually because these are made of plastic, you don't have a ground for the casing. In this case, as you can see in the other one. So let me show you here. So no ground here. So this is how it works. And here another close-up, so the way you can see, silver is the neutral and gold one is the hot one. We're going to remove the screws. Oh, this is falling apart. This is very easy. All we have to do, we have to put the screws inside and we should be good. So now, all right, as you can see, the silver one is the ground, the neutral, and the other is the light. So we can put this here, like that. And then now we can put this one in the other side. And we should be good. All right, beautiful. Okay, now we are going to put the screws, as you can see here. The other screw here. So this is what you're going to get in the basement or anywhere in the house. Usually you're going to have a electric box. So it could be plastic or metal usually. So here, as you can see, you have the outer part, you have the two holes, and in the inner part you have the two holes as well. So it depends which one you want to use, depending on the light fixture, is the one that you're going to use. But this is how it works, just in case if you've never seen something like that. So you will have the two cables here. You're going to have the black one, is the hot one, and the white one is the neutral, and you have the bare metal that is just the ground. All right, I made the holes that we need. Otherwise, it will not fit there. Now we twist it and screw it in, and that's it. All right, great, perfect. So we should be good. We made a hole here. All right, so you can see the little hole. We should make it fit here. I'm going to push it in. There we go. Now it works. Now let's move to the next one. But before we do that, we are going to make the hole here.